Buying a home is hard enough, but setting it up shouldn't be. And that's really where we started. We figured out that customers don't want a design without a price, and they don't want a price without a design. And they don't want it one after the other, they want it together. Modular solutions does not take away from the creativity of the product, but it ensures that you're able to produce products which are backed by guarantee, produced on time, and then we would just flat pack it, send it to a customer's site, and we would get these skilled technicians to come and install. We were sure that at some point we need to be able to automate this because, well, if you have the design and you have the price, why can't you get the bill of materials? Why can't you get all these parts?
So this is one of the biggest factory we have at HomeLane. These machines are from Besse, which are imported from Italy, and they are very high precision machine, capability to pack anywhere between 14 to 15,000 boards per month, which can go up to 20,000 boards per month. I think we really take pride in the way we have defined processes to ensure the quality is checked at each and every stage through the entire cycle. Right from the time we unload the truck, the material, each and every piece is raw board is actually checked. We do sampling of the pieces when we unload the truck. We ensure that the quality is met as per our standards. There's a detailed QC checklist that we have for every raw material, which is predefined, and the QC team over here is trained to check those materials basis that checklist. Only once the raw material is completely quality checked, then only it is inverted into the factory and moves into the production. There are 5 stages involved in the entire production once the raw material is inverted. First stage is pressing, where we take the raw board and press the laminate onto the board. Our pressing process using machines ensure that there are no bubbles, there are no gaps in the laminate and the board, and the laminate doesn't chip off. Once the board is pressed, we leave it in quarantine for almost about 8 to 12 hours to ensure that the pressing is done properly, and post that it moves into the next stage, which is the cutting stage. Inputs which are captured from the site are directly converted into the cut list, and those cut lists are fed into the machines and machines cut as per those requirements. This helps us to ensure that the end-to-end flow is completely automated, which helps us to deliver high precision to the customer. And the cut panels then move to the edge banding stage. The entire edge banding process is done through the machine, which ensures that there are no glue marks left on the machine, and also the entire polishing of the edge band to give the right finish to the customer is done by the machine itself. This ensures that the panel we produce is of the very high finesse and quality. Once edge banding is done, it moves into the drilling stage. Drilling is where we put the hinge holes into each and every panel, which is required pre-assembly. This again is automated. Through the SC Pro, the entire drilling logic is fed into the machine directly. Once the project is completely produced, we take it to the assembly area where we assemble the entire project, just like the way it will be done at the factory site, to be assured that there are no gaps in terms of the dimensions or in terms of the drilling holes. Once we are assured of the quality, we sort of dismantle it and then pack it again and then send it to the customer.
If you see in the machine, we have a program where you find as a 0.001 error. Only if the program is wrong, then the product is wrong. When the program is correct, the product will be 100% correct.
These are all instructions that get produced instantly for any design that you as a customer or a designer are seeing on your screen. So the 92 hours is now down to 12 hours. And what is the 12 hours? The 12 hours is us at this stage still cross-checking the drawings to make sure that the software is doing what is required. What used to take almost 3 to 4 months on site was now done in 8 to 10 days. Our responsibility today as HomeLane is to make sure that as many people from the unorganized sector, whether it's carpenters, whether it's plumbers, electricians, are trained in a way that they're able to set up homes of the future.
So at HomeLane, I think we've set very high standards for ourselves, and we truly believe that people are the key to delivering those high standards. So machine operators are QC experts, and the carpenters monitored by our supervisors and a team of plant heads. This entire pool of people, they ensure that the right quality material is delivered to the customer.
We offer 163 odd colors in terms of laminate shades. We offer 3 different types of material. We have close to 500 different options of modules that are available for a typical house to do. If you start thinking about the permutations and combinations, the first question that comes to most people's mind is that, can you really mass manufacture these? And the answer is yes.
I think we have the best-in-class machines right now. We are constantly looking out for what is really happening, not just in India but outside of India as well. and coming up with our own ideas as well on how to make this entire journey as seamless for the customer as possible.
Today we are delivering about 30 homes a day. In 5 years from now, I don't know, it'll probably be about 10 times that number. And I think that's what keeps me most excited about the journey right now.
Home Lane.
Interiors
Made easy.